Hello everyone, welcome back to Artsy Naillogy by Dipanwita, and in today's video I'm going to share with you guys a review of Sally Hansen Problem Cuticle Remover. So please keep on watching and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more amazing content. So this remover comes in a cardboard box like this. It's not really thick and it's got 28.3 grams of product, and this one is particularly meant for problematic cuticle, that is cuticle which are thick or difficult to remove, and the entire ingredient list is listed at one side of the box. Now this brand is basically from the US, but it's a really popular brand in the field of nail art and nail care, and you can easily get this from Amazon or Flipkart or Nykaa. Now at the back of the box there's a very detailed description about the product written. It says how it works, what the thing is. So cuticle remover basically softens and helps to melt down the cuticle so that you can remove them easily. And also it says it comes with a warning that this one contains alkali and should not be brought into contact with the eyes, and that you should not keep it on your skin for more than 3 to 5 minutes, and that it should not be applied on sensitive or damaged skin. So please make sure you've gone through the do's and don'ts carefully before you use the product. This product is priced at Rs 6.99 and the shelf life is of 3 years, and all these details are in the back itself. So when you open the box from the top, you will find it is sectioned into chambers like this, and it contains the tube of the cuticle remover. Along with that there are 2 wooden cuticle pushers. There's only one in the box right now, but they had given 2. So this is how the tube looks. It's translucent, it contains aloe vera, and it's not very big in size, therefore very much travel friendly. And once again at the back you will find the details written. This is how the wooden cuticle pusher looks like. One end is slanted and flat and the other one is pointed. So you have to open the tube using a screw-like motion, and once you open it you will find the creamy cuticle remover. It smells really amazing because it contains aloe vera, and when you check the consistency you will find that it's not really thick, not really thin, so it's really comfortable, and you might feel a slight tingling on the skin because it contains alkali. Now I like to apply it directly by squeezing it on top of my nails near the cuticle area, and then I'd like to massage it slightly to spread it all around my cuticle area evenly. I have not cleaned my feet before this video because I wanted to show you the real results. So here you go, you have to bear with this ugly feet, but please don't mind. I hope you like the review of this cuticle remover. Now you have to keep it on for at most 5 minutes, and after that I'll push the cuticle back using the wooden stick provided in the box, and then I'm going to scrape off the softened cuticle using the pointed end. If you have really hard cuticles or you haven't removed them in some time, then you might need a couple of more applications of the cuticle remover step by step, but you will definitely see the result as you can see in this video right now. The cuticle remover really works very nicely. You can see all those cuticles getting removed really effortlessly. Now you can definitely use this on your hands yourself. So for the final verdict, I really like this cuticle remover. It works really well on problematic cuticles especially. That's why I showed you by trying it on my feet, and I really recommend this one to you guys. However, I find only one problem, that it's quite expensive for 28 grams of product, but at the same time you will require very little amount of product at a time, so it will last you a long time, I guess. But nevertheless it's really expensive still, and if you're someone who doesn't have thick growth of cuticles or problematic cuticles, then you can simply go ahead and use a moisturizer or a thick type of cream on your cuticle. That will soften your cuticle equally well and your work will be done. So that was all for today's review video. Hope you liked this. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. See you soon with more videos. Bye.